Okay, so to begin with, there is no exemptions available for the CISA exam, and obviously so because there is only one module to study for and one module exam to sit for and pass. However, we do offer module exams and PER exemptions. PER stands for Practical Experience Requirement Exemptions in the case of CIPA fellowships. So first point, there are no exemptions available for the FAR module, and FAR stands for Financial Accounting and Reporting. As such, you must sit for and pass the FAR module in order to become a CIPA fellow. Second point, exemptions are available for all the remaining 3 modules as well as the PER of the CIPA fellowship. In order for you to be eligible for exemption from AAE module, that is the audit and assurance and ethics module, you need to have a professional qualification and pass an advanced auditing course. So for example, if you have the CPA or the CA qualification, you will get full exemption from the AAE module. However, if you are ACCA qualified but haven't as yet passed the P7 auditing paper, then you will unfortunately not get exemption from the AAE module. For BRE, there are 2 ways you can get exemption. First, if you have a professional qualification such as CPA, CA, ACCA, etc., which is well recognized by IFAC, then you will get exemption from BRE module of the CIPA program. You will also get exemption from the BRE module if you register for the CIPA program through an IOFI affiliate university program. And that is because BRE, we feel that the university would cover this course in their own respective undergraduate or graduate degrees, and we will simply recognize their module as equivalent to our module. However, in both the scenarios, whether you have professional qualification or you're applying through the affiliate university program, there is a possibility that instead of getting full exemption, you are offered partial exemption, which happens when we believe that the risk management part of BRE module is not adequately covered in the professional or university course. In that case, you'll have to submit a research paper on the topic of risk management as partial exemption, instead of sitting for the exam and passing it. So moving on, for the last module, SSNSG, Sharia Standards and Sharia Governance, you'll get exemption from the module if you are a CISA fellow or you're applying through an IOFI affiliate university. As I mentioned earlier, you can also get exemption from the 1-year practical experience requirement of the CIPA fellowship. Now, the exemption could be partial exemption or full exemption. You'll get partial exemption, which is 6 months out of the total 1-year requirement if you fulfill the stated criteria on the screen. Basically, what the criteria says is, if you have the required accountancy experience but lack in Islamic accountancy experience, you'll get partial exemption. Whereas if you prove that you have at least 3 months to 6 months of experience in Islamic finance accountancy by working at an Islamic financial institution, then you'll get the full exemption from the practical experience requirement. Now, there might be a situation where the CIPA candidate is unable to pursue practical experience requirement for whatever reasons, whatever legitimate reasons may have. In that case, we do offer an alternative, which is to submit either 1 lengthy research paper or 2 short research papers on mutually agreed topics.
Islamic finance learning made simple and memorable.